Mud daubers, dirt, and other debris can clog up your AC emergency drain lines. Tylor Nunn is here with the Dawber Stopper to tell us how to fix these problems. Good morning.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Okay, so dirt daubers, mud daubers, terrible, terrible things. And as homeowners, you may not even know the importance of the drain line, but people can have problems that are underneath the whole surface that could cause very, very expensive things to happen, right?
Yes, that is very true. So if you didn't know, 1 in 5 homes are actually a victim of water damage due to clogged drain lines, primary and emergency. So as you said, it's a very expensive fee. It can range anywhere between $2,000 and $4,000 a repair. And this happens, like I say, 1 in 5 homes.
Dang, okay, so here in Texas, we're using our ACs like crazy, typically year round actually. And so to get that damage and to actually have this problem is, you know, it's gonna arise at some point. Now, as far as the product goes that you can help prevent this problem with, talk to us a little bit about it because you have a patent pending invention that is pretty awesome.
Yes, we do, Stephanie. So we have a patent pending prevention called the Dawber Stopper. So what it is it's a preventative maintenance product that actually stops any dirt daubers, i.e. pests or anything, from getting inside of these drain lines and clogging them up. And why you need these free is because you want the water to get out of the house and not in the home, correct? So if you'll see, I actually went and took a demo of something you'd see a 1-inch and a 3/4 PVC on your home, and I actually went ahead and put 2 Dawber stoppers on it.
Okay, so this is what the Dawber Stopper actually looks like on. Now, I recognize these drain pipes, and a lot of times what they will look like, you told me this off camera, is when they look muddy and stuffed up. I thought that was just a bad construction leave behind, but that is where the problem is, right?
Yes, so that's actually the biggest problem, is that these spiders and different pests will actually go in their nest, and the dirt daubers come in and eat those. Now, it's good they're getting rid of the spiders for you.
Thank you, dirt daubers, for that, but what they leave behind?
They're leaving their nest behind, and that's the problem. They don't clean up after themselves, and now we're having catastrophic water damage in the homes due to that.
So this is crazy because they can actually make that huge clog and then they can move on and like do it elsewhere, which is terrible because we might not even know that this is happening.
That is so true. And actually typically they nest in about 12 inches.
Oh,
so unless you stick something in there to find it or you physically look in there with a flashlight, you're never going to know until it's too late. We want to give you this preventative problem so you don't have to deal with it after it's too late.
Okay, so 1 in 5 is a pretty big number. So just putting on something like this can prevent all of those things from happening and all of that water damage from potentially coming to be a big mess in your home then, right?
Yes, ma'am. With the proper maintenance and cleaning the drain line out, once you put this on, you can ensure that nothing from the exterior of the home can get into that drain line to clog it.
Okay, so I want to talk about how easy or difficult this might be to install. Is this something that I could do myself, or am I hiring someone? What's the process for that?
So you can do either one, but if you're a do-it-yourself guy like I am, and I'm sure most Texans
I am a do-it-yourself girl.
You're going to want to do it yourself, right? So I even brought this little demo. We went as far as actually tapering a 3/4 fitting on here that goes directly for the AC drain line.
Okay.
And when you said no tools, can you do it yourself? I tapered this so that way there's no glue necessary, none of that. I'm going to shove this on here, and it's UV coated, so it's going to last forever outside.
Okay.
I want you to try to get it off.
You know I'm pretty strong, right?
All right,
are you
let's
sure
see
you
how
want to
strong
do
you are.
this? Are you sure? Okay, y'all, I am trying. I'm going to turn red in the face here or fall down, one or the other.
So that proves it right there. No glue, no tool.
So if I can't get in, one of these dirt daubers can't get in either then,
And
right?
she's not weak. Show her your muscles, Stephanie.
Y'all, I do have those muscles going on.
There
I'm not
we
going to
go.
lie. I don't know if you can see them under all this fluff here. But that was a very, very hard pull. So if I could do that myself, awesome, very, very simple. But you guys also have people that can come out and install it if need be as well, right?
We do. We have a couple companies that do that. And right now you can actually use Cashway Aces up in Leander, or you can go out to Breeding Company and they can set you up with somebody.
Okay, wonderful. So all of these things that you've just taught me and showed me are kind of mind-blowing because as a homeowner, I really had no idea. This is something that is very easy to do, very easy to get your hands on, and very easy to prevent all of that water damage. Now, you guys also have a promotion going on right now. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so typically you're going to see us for the price of $25.99, but right now anyone in the Austin area that goes online and gets it or purchase it from Breeding Company or Ace Cashway will actually get it for $20.99 right now.
Okay, that's fantastic. All right, so very easy, very simple, a great gift not only for like a Father's Day or Christmas, but also for a new homeowner. I don't know if y'all heard the news, but Rosie actually did buy a house, and so I might have to gift one of these to her if she's not listening. Now, real quick before we go again, I want you to tell us how easy the install is because we're not joking here.
So the install is literally just like we did.
I kind of just want to do that
One more
again.
time. So I'm going to show you. This is your PVC coming out of the house, whether it's down at the bottom or up at the top of your soffit. Literally, it is this and simple. You screw the screen in, you're gonna push it and give it a 20-degree twist.
So easy. I just wanted to show off my muscles again here,
One more
Tyler.
time.
Thank you so very much. Hey, guys, I can't get this apart. The Dawber Stopper is available at Breed & Co. Ace Hardware in Westlake Hills and other select locations. Save $5 today. Great deal. Now, for more information on the Dawber Stopper, call Modern AC Products at the number on your screen. Find more details at modernacproducts.com.